Hello, I am Vishal Bhosale, founder and CEO of Nexsel. Today let's talk about the artificial lighting and indoor plants. So indoor plants are becoming very popular nowadays because they clean air, reduce stress and enhance the look at any place. However, growing indoor plant is challenging because of the natural light. Due to lack of natural light, plant leaves become yellow, plant become weaker and we need to move plant frequently outside. So what we do at Nexsel, we provide artificial lighting solution for these plants so they grow well like they grow at outside. In last 4 years, we have completed 110 such projects in India and Dubai. The places including like airports, commercial offices and bungalows. We offer solutions for vertical green wall, bonsai plants, flowering plants like orchid and various types of ornamental plants. So let me show you a couple of plants growing under our light at our office. So this light is called direct wall mounted light. So this light is used for the plants are growing vertically like a green wall and planter like this. Second type of light is plant spotlight. This light is used for the plants like this hanging plants and the bonsai plant like this. We have tabletop type lights like this for the office plants. We have linear light like this in different lengths for a hanging plant like this. To know more about different artificial lighting options for indoor plants, please be in touch with us. Thank you.